guys, welcome to Inspire to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share a really beautiful centerpiece for your holiday decor. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. For this project, we'll need one potable bowl. We'll also need some poinsettia flowers. I got the white, silver, and rose gold one glass, and also 2 frosted wine glasses. I got 2 different glitter branches, the silver and rose gold one, then different kind of Christmas decorations, and I also got those small ones and some ribbon. A list of all the items can be found in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out. First, I'll cut into size some ribbon to decorate the clear glass. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. Then I'll go ahead and use this old ornament to decorate the vase. I really love how it's looking already. Then next I'll go ahead and glue it in the middle of our bowl. I then took the frosted wine glasses and glued them on each of the sides of the glass. This is what it looks like so far. Next, I'll take our crystal ornaments and start gluing them all around the bowl, and I'll leave a space between each of them. And took my white poinsettias and started removing them from the stem, as I will be gluing them in between each of the ornaments. I actually left a space between each other poinsettias. And once I was done gluing the white poinsettias, I went on and got the silver one and started gluing them on each of the open space. Centerpiece is looking so beautiful already. Then I went on and started adding my rose gold poinsettias, and I glued them on my ornaments and still left some space in between each. difference that the rose gold made. Wow. Well, I went on and also added some white poinsettias from the inside to make sure that I hide any space that were still visible. And to give a piece of more shimmery look, I went on and took my glitter branches and started cutting them into smaller pieces to tuck them in inside of a centerpiece. I then did the same for the rose gold one. Next, I'll fill in our glasses using the smaller ornaments. I got these two cute snowmen and I'll put one in each of the wine glasses. For the middle glass, I'll be adding some LED light. Unfortunately, while filming the video, I did not have batteries for my light, so I'll go ahead and do that later on. And this concludes our centerpiece. I really enjoy making it and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.